Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you guys my apartment since we are moving out. I already made a room tour of my office, which is a room right next to this room right here. But I never really show you guys the main living room where we live. I live with my partner and we've been living here for around 2.5 years. We built this place to make it super cozy and very affordable. Mainly, most of the stuff in this room is from IKEA. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and maybe, I don't know, if this postmodern-ish style room is your type of style, maybe this video can be a reference for your next room. Most of the stuff in this room is pretty much available. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right into it. First thing first, this room is 2 room in 1, which means that you can create this separation using the sliding door to separate the room by half and half. This entire room itself is around 34 square meters. I don't know how much that in feet, maybe 412 square feet-ish. However, for what it is, for a room that is nearby like Shibuya, it's around 15 minutes from Shibuya. I don't technically live in the prefecture of Tokyo. However, if you guys are looking into rent and stuff around Tokyo, avoiding the prefecture is the easiest way, but you can still get great access from out of the city. I'm just like really close to Tokyo, but not really. That's how you get this space for around 1,000 USD per month. It's around 150,000 yen per month. My favorite part about this room is that throughout the day we get natural light all day long, and it creates such a beautiful lighting, especially on the wall. Like the curtain is waving, or like the blinders shades coming into it. It creates this like painting-ish wall that makes me feel so connected to nature. Which is hard to get around, around Tokyo. Sorry, today is super dark and the weather is pretty cloudy, so there's not much light today, but trust, there's a lot of natural light. Since I mentioned there's a lot of IKEA product in this apartment, so I'm gonna mess the name up so hard. So this is, according to IKEA, it's a 3-people sofa. The name is Freehaten. I'm not sure. And this sofa will convert to a bed, like a semi-double-ish bed. So it's super useful. This used to be our main bed back when we used to live in 1-bedroom apartment. Now we use just as a sofa, or whenever our friends come by, they need to like stay over, we convert this into bed. I'm 182 centimeter. I'm about 6 foot tall. I can completely fit in this. This sofa is huge. Right in front of us, this is a glass/steel table. The name is Vitshaw. So it comes with table with 2 different heights, and you can slide these over to expand or minimize it, which is nice. And my girlfriend bought like an additional one that's a bit higher, so she can use as a work desk whenever she's working from home. So this carpet, like right below me, according to IKEA, this is a handmade carpet, which I'm kind of sus about it. For 300 bucks, it's kind of too cheap for a handmade product, but they say it's handmade, so I believe it. Also, I would love to talk about the pillow a little bit. This is a very cool brand from Japan. It's like a streetwear, but for furniture. It's called the Home Economic Experiment. They make like cool cushions, a lot of chairs, super cute pillow just for an accent. This is cutest from House Moving Castle. I never watched in English, so I don't know the character's name in English, but in Japan this is cutest. I know this thing looks absolutely insane, but we have this vase. It's from IKEA. It's a collaboration between like this artist. So these are cherry blossom branch, and when we bought it, it had a ton of flower already blooming and it was absolutely beautiful. However, now it has like leaves, which is crazy. Like it's just branches, but the leaves are coming out. It's still alive. We really love flowers and trees and stuff, so we had cherry blossom tree because it's spring. Spring is coming in Japan, and that is the most beautiful time in this country. So yeah, we want to have a cherry blossom. We have 4 one-person chairs. That's how you say it, I think. We have 2 here. These 2 stay here most of the time. And one is the divlinge, this chair right here. We got the green one. They also have black and orange, which is really cool. I feel like this was the most hype IKEA product last year, so it was really hard to get. We got the green. We're so happy. I love corduroy sofas, chairs. I feel like corduroy is the best material for chairs, so I'm super happy with this. We also have the other one. This is the mesh, the netted one, which is not the most comfortable chair TBH, but has a perfect height for me. I'm a pretty tall person in this house, so when we eat dinner on this table, we eat dinner on this side. It has the perfect height for me, so I sit on this. I added 2 cushions because it hurts my butt so bad. Under this table, we have a ton of Japanese magazine. We are big fan of a lot of Japanese magazine. I'm a big fan of Popeye, Brutus, and sometimes Casa, depending on what they release. My partner loves Fudge. Fudge is like a female version of Popeye, but they also do like men's issues as well. And yeah, that's what we get most our inspirations from. I purposely have to focus on this wall so you guys can focus on this, but we have a bookshelf right here. I got it from Rakuten. Rakuten is like a Japanese Amazon. This one goes all the way to the top of the ceiling, so we can have like a very tall bookshelf. The one thing that I don't like about it is this is like very plasticky, and you can see like the plastic parts under the thing, which makes it a bit like less sexy, which I'm not a big fan of it. But we have a ton of books here and a ton of souvenir that we bought. This is my girlfriend's favorite chair. This is Rona from Portugal, I think. She got a vintage. It was about 30 bucks, but this is essentially a beach chair, but she sits here all the time and she chooses the book here to read. And yeah, I also do the same thing. Whenever I want to chill, have a more isolated space, even though this is not much of an isolation, but this is essentially what we wanted to do, is like a book space. This is the place that you concentrate on the book. It has a reading light. I also forgot this name. It's not made for a reading light, but we use as a reading light because it looks cute and it does its job. And for the artwork, we have Noguchi's washi artwork right here. This paper is used for the famous Noguchi lamps, and we couldn't get Noguchi lamps. The one that we wanted is sold out all the time, so we couldn't get it. So we bought this artwork instead when we went to Noguchi Museum in Hokkaido. The top one is an artwork from last year. Last year was the ear of snake. This year is the ear of horse. No, it's kind of cool. It's like a green snake, like a slithering vibe. So, you know, I mess with it. I don't know if you guys can see me, but this is another chair. This is the last chair, promise. This one is from Sancal. It's a Spanish brand. So this is supposed to be a stacking chair, so you can stack these up. It's pretty comfortable. It doesn't look that comfortable, but it's really comfortable. You can change the way you sit. It's very unique. It's eye-catching. It has bold color. It's really cute. We've been looking for ways to use this chair more practically in our room, but you know, it's been hard because we already have like 4 chairs. So for the next house, we should be able to use this chair. All right, I know what you guys thinking. All right, peace, that's cool. You have an open space that you can hang out with your friends, eat dinner, yada, yada, yada. But bro, where's the TV at? I got an answer. Hold up, boink. So what you guys see up there, that's a projector. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is Poppin' Aladdin. It's a projector that is also a ceiling light. This thing is amazing. It has speakers, so we usually use it for like just playing Spotify and stuff and whatnot too. But you can also project a movie. We watch Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Hulu, you name it. I absolutely love this. I've been using this for around 4 years, I'll say. Shout out to Aladdin, this brand. I reached out to them and we made a couple of videos way back in the days, like 4 years ago, to exchange for a product. And at that time, I was like still new in the game, like this whole freelance videographer stuff. So they support me 4 years ago. which I'm super thankful, and I'm still using their products, so shout out to them. This is low-key my favorite part of the room. This rack is like one of the cheapest rack that you can buy in IKEA. I forgot the name. We have a bunch of souvenirs and another Japanese magazine at the bottom. If you guys been watching like Gaku's stuff as well, you guys can kind of tell that he loves Daruma. Daruma is this fortune figure in Japan that low-key it's pretty collectible. Recently there's a lot of like traditional Japanese brands that been making like these Daruma that is collaborating with more like modern brands such as Beams. I'm a big fan of collecting cute stuff now. I used to be a minimalist, so I used to not collect stuff, but recently since we have more space, I've been, you know, collecting stuff here and there, which makes me super happy and reminds me of a lot of memories that I went through. And you know, souvenir is a memories in physical form, so I absolutely love it. Also, IKEA been making a lot of washi lamps that is very affordable, which is nice because a lot of washi lamps that's available in the market is pretty expensive. But like these stuff, like this thing is pretty huge, but it was only around 10 bucks. Like bro, all the washi lamps and some of the lamps in our room has a smart light bulb, and I feel like the best one hands down is the Philips Hue, but we have so many that we did not want to spend like crazy amount of money for light bulbs, so we got the one from Switchbot. I think it's an Amazon brand. Per bulb is like 25 bucks. It's like 4,000 yen, which compared to Philips Hue is much affordable. We control on our iPad. This is our bedroom, like a bedroom. This is where we sleep. We have a huge washi lamp. I wish this was a Noguchi lamp, but this one is also from IKEA. It was around 10 bucks. We have a double bed. We also got this from Nitori. The mattress is from Nitori and the bed frame is also from Nitori. We wanted to have like a very sleek bed look with, you know, elevating the bed with like a wooden frame. I feel like that's just the best. It's not too high, it's not exaggerating, it doesn't kill the vibe of the room. Low-key, if you just look at this room, it's kind of like Japandi-ish vibes going on, but we wanted to keep the postmodern style. We have a Gucci poster right there because why not? Over here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have a mirror. This is also from IKEA. We also have a curved mirror, which is also from IKEA. We have a blue stool that was like 10 bucks, which is insane. On top of the Barnes New York coffee book, we have the famous IKEA lamp that every influencer have, but it's very cute, so we also got one too. Under the chair, we have an old vintage IKEA lamp that our friend gave it to us for a Christmas gift, which is super cool. I actually love this lamp. We still trying to find a place to display all the lamps that we have. It's very hard in Japan because there's a lot of rules that we cannot go past in terms of apartments. Pretty annoying sometimes, so we're trying to find a way to safely use all the lamps in the rented space, which will be our next house. From next month, we're gonna be moving into a pretty old, like a 30-year-old Japanese house, which will be very exciting, and I would love to make like not a series but some type of more house focused stuff, a little more lifestyle. And my cars too, I bought 2 new cars, which is pretty insane. So there are a lot of videos coming out relating to my house, cars, lifestyle stuff, so I hope you guys will enjoy my future video as well. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, and if you guys love the vibe of this channel, please hit the sub button. Anyway guys, I hope you have an amazing day. My name is Peace Gates. You guys already know. Peace out guys. Well, I guess this is a goodbye. Well, not like literally, just for this apartment.